Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. I'm here with Brian, Acura painter. If you guys want to follow his YouTube channel and the work he's doing with all the paint stuff, if you want to learn more about painting, that's the man right there. Link in the description below. But for today, we're going to do an unboxing. Today, we're doing a huge Mugen unboxing. Well, maybe not huge, but we got a couple of parts of Mugen stuff, and Brian's going to be doing it for us. I'm going to be behind the camera recording it, so let's get ready. Alright guys, so I'm out here with Brian. Brian, let's go ahead with the unboxing.
I don't know a whole lot about cars or what this stuff is, so I don't really know about paint.
Let's go ahead with the unboxing.
Hopefully I don't cut whatever's inside. I'm going to hold it up a little bit.
Obviously guys, this video is also sponsored by Acura Pembroke Pines. And we do have a few Mugen stuff here that we wanted to show you guys. Some of this stuff will be for raffle or meet. If you see this video, there's obviously been a winner already.
Yeah. Kingmotorsports.
Kingmotorsports. Yeah, Kingmotorsports. That was from the order came from.
Come through, huh?
Yes, sir.
Try not to kill myself on camera.
We have a beautiful Type R in the back.
Totally. This is totally live.
Let's give you guys a great.
Nice.
What do we got? What do we got? Oh, we got
Mugen.
We got umbrellas.
Umbrellas. Really nice. All right, let's see if they actually work though. Let's see what kind of style they are. Looks like there's a few they sent. These might be for raffle actually, I hear.
Oh, okay, so it's kind of like
South Florida. Check that out.
There you go.
Not
so it's kind of clear and it's a little dark on the other side.
You see that?
Ooh, okay, yeah.
All right, cool.
Sweet, man.
So,
how many do we got?
Mugen apparel seems like. Let's see what's in the next one. We got two more.
We got two of them.
All right.
Okay.
Let's move right along over here. This tape looks like it's a little bit easier to cut. Oh.
This package looks interesting.
All right, here we go. It's like Christmas all over, right?
Oh, hell yeah. Whoa.
It's a Mugen laptop.
Oh, can you imagine?
I don't know what it is. It's just as exciting as it is for me as it is for you.
Looks to me like a DA is getting a steering wheel, huh?
Something. We could be totally wrong. Alright. I think you're right.
It is a steering wheel.
I think you're right. Wow. So what is this exactly? Tell me a little bit about this.
This is the new style Mugen wheel. Obviously from Kingmotorsports.
So this is designed by Mugen?
Yeah, this is from Mugen. This is I'm not sure if they have a different one, if they have a suede one, but this is the one that they have with the red stitching.
So they designed it?
Yeah.
In partnership with Mugen?
No, this is Mugen. Kingmotorsports is just a sub.
Gotcha. And they have some directions. This is pretty cool.
How to put it on.
I recognize Momo. Yes. Yeah, so that's the steering wheel.
Yeah, it's from Momo, but it's Mugen. It's the Mugen.
And that's the horn too that they hook up?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. All right.
John's getting a steering wheel.
We'll find out.
Yeah.
That's beautiful, by the way. I love that. All right, so let's move right along to whatever is in here.
I think mine is in there.
Yours is in there.
I think mine is in there.
Here we go. Maybe it's a new paint gun for me.
A new paint gun? A new Mugen paint gun?
Okay, looks like we got some goodies. So take a look in here and we're going to take them out.
Oh, there you go.
So we have a reservoir tank cover.
Okay.
Pretty cool.
That's really nice. That's the original one.
We got Miguel here. He might.
Oh, we got Miguel. Miguel, come on, Miguel.
He knows this stuff.
Get in, Miguel.
All right, Miguel. Well, I think I know what this is.
I hope so.
What do we got? We got some Mugen caps.
I started wearing a whole bunch of these.
We got some Mugen caps.
Got some Mugen caps. All right. What's this? Oil cap?
This is Mugen valve cover oil cap.
Okay.
This is the 1.75 or 1.
So. I believe
this is kind of the retro one that they redid it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Notice what else we got in here.
What else do we have in there?
And we also have
another one.
Yep. This is the unpainted version.
Right. The unpainted version.
And we can always paint it if we need.
Yeah.
Yep. We have two of those.
You have two of those.
We also have the Mugen radiator cap.
Okay.
Yep,
1.3
bars.
I'm taking that for all B series and D series, right?
I would imagine so.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I know what this is because I saw one before.
What's that?
All right. Check it out, Mr. Miguel. Ken. There that goes.
That's fine.
Yeah. So this is the Mugen.
That's the Mugen toolbox. Huh? Open it up.
Yes.
I love that box.
This is like a crate.
We're having one of these in the raffle, right?
That's why I knew. Yes. At the night cruise, we're gonna raffle one of these off. I think you have to open it up here
and then just
pop them out. So this is pretty cool. So you want to keep maybe your rags or something in it, or your detailing supplies, or whatever you carry around in the car.
Super nice.
exactly.
That's really cool. Yeah, the way it
You
goes.
want to keep stuff from, you know, rattling around or rolling around. This is a cool box.
All right.
This is a nice little addition
Mugen
to
power.
my
Yeah, this is really cool.
to my little EK build.
Yeah, right. Oh, this is super nice. I like this.
Don't run away with it. All right, so we got a lot of cool things here. I'm not sure quite what's for raffle, so stay tuned to AcuraHondaClassic, the YouTube page and the Instagram page, and we'll let you know exactly what's going to be for raffle. I'm not quite sure yet or what's going on the build, so you know, thanks for coming along with Miguel and myself, and we look forward to showing you more projects in the shop.